Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another awesome video. Today we're making roti. Yes, that's about it. So, today we're gonna be attempting to make it. I say I can cook. I can cook. I know I can cook. So I got some stuff together. We did some prep. So we have our handy dandy rolling pin, some flour, some more flour, and I just put some water to boil right here. So we'll let that boil, and I'm gonna grab a pan so we can cook it. Alright, so the first thing we need is some handy dandy oil. And just, sure. I don't really know how much we're supposed to put, but that looks sure. And then we wait for the water to boil. Just so you guys know, my mom might come home, and if she sees that like I've turned our kitchen upside down, this might be my last video. So wish me luck. So I'm just gonna mix this oil and flour up a little bit because it looks like it's kind of getting a little clumpy. So we'll just mix it up a little bit so it's not sitting so much. So it sounds like my water is ready. Or almost ready. We'll wait for the beep. Yep, there we go. And now all we're gonna do, so just to make it easier guys, I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing because it's too hard to show you and be in it. So we have our flour, and now we're gonna pour some water in, a little bit at a time, because it's super hot, and just mix it in. Ouch, 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 ouch. Try not to burn yourselves like I just did. Another thing that I'm gonna use is actually a nice red spatula because I won't burn myself as much. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. So it's all kind of sticking together now. You can kind of see there. And now we're just gonna knead it. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour. Because it is a little bit sticky. I don't think it's supposed to be. And that's starting to feel a little bit like more like what it's supposed to. So I'm gonna say that's probably good. And there you go. So once you get some, just kind of portion them up into a ball. Then we're gonna take our little handy dandy pan, sprinkle some flour on it. And take our little ball and squish down. And now we're gonna roll it out. And there we have it. One. Okay guys, now once you get them rolled out, you're gonna turn the stove on to about the medium high. Just wait for your pan to heat up. It's starting to get kind of warm. Once your pan heats up, just throw it on. And here, I'm just gonna show you guys. You can kind of see it bubbling or starting to cook a little bit. Some slops on the other side. Just like that. And then throw it on fire. And then it'll raise. Give it a second. And throw it back on the pan. Add some butter and there you go. I don't know, but in our house we like to put some butter on it. There you go. Let's try it after it burns my hand, but it tastes pretty good. It tastes like it should anyway. Okay guys, so this is the disastrous mess that I now have to clean up. But on a good note, we are done. Our end product. Okay guys, so I think we're done with today's video. Yeah, I'm pretty done with it. I'm gonna go clean up everything. But if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you guys!